Hey guys, today I will finally pick this assa ruko 2, and we have the bedding right here. It's not that good, but we can still pick it. And we are going to try some different things, and then I will gut it. There we had a tension wrench, and let's start by zipping it with the W rake. Here we go. I have seen way better locks than this. And rock it. And there we go. We can also rake it. Here we go. And of course SVP it. Alright, pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and there we go. Now I did this so fast because I want to gut it, and then I have to put it back together so we can get it on the tree. So all of that is going to be in this video. So let's get it done. There we go. Oh, that one is not coming out with it. We have to get that in again. While we still can. There we go. Now that is ready to be put together. Alright, nope, not there. I really hate this pinning tray, but it's the only one I have. Alright, of course they are going to tilt over. But it doesn't matter. There we go. And what is the shim? There we go. We stay there. And let's take the key pins first. Number 5, come on. Get out. 4. And then you can take 1. 2. And the last one. There we go. And then the key pins. Oh, sorry, the driver pins. That was number 1. 2. 3. 5. And 4. Alright. Hey. I'm not going to take all the springs out, just this one, to save a little bit of time, because they are all the same. So let us see. We have these assa barrels, and they are in most of these rukos, but there are also some other pins, but we get to that in another video. And let us put it back together and get it on the tree. Alright. Yeah. By the way, it is the 3rd December now. We're getting close to Christmas Eve. Oh, I just turned the wrong way. Come on, work with me. Stupid pin. But I got it. But it's still an irritating pin. That be damn. It doesn't want to get in there. Got it. Haha. Let's see if we can be just as lucky with the wrist. There we go. And hey, number 5 made a little break dance. There we go. Shall we see if we can get this in? There we go. And the key pins. Right, and that's the front, and I have to get that a little bit out, and then we can get it back together, hopefully. There we go. And the clip. No problem. And the screwdriver is right there. And we are done. That's nice. Alright, let's get it on the tree so that the video is not going to be too long. And where do we put it? Actually, I think we're going to put it right there. Oh, sorry, it was out of frame. It is going to be right there. Nice. Alright guys, that's all for today. Now I have to clean all of this up. So, hope you all have a great Christmas and a fantastic day. Thanks for watching. Bye.